Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 6 of our 8 Hanukkah Miracles Crochet Long 2024. 8 6 of this crochet long. This is a recorded tutorial. I did not go live like in the last 5 days. I will go live on day number 7 and day number 8. But day number 6 I did not go live, so I recorded this tutorial, and we are going to be making the Grace glasses case, which is absolutely super duper easy, using the moss stitch, which is one of my favorite as well. Look how beautiful it comes with this gorgeous yarn. And actually it's just one rectangle folded and joined by slip stitching on both sides and leaving a little folding part. So it's super easy. I'm going to make a small sample so you learn how to work the moss stitch, but most of you probably already know. And I think this glasses case is, it depends of the yarn that you choose to make it. So because I chose this beautiful yarn and it's so soft, it's really beautiful. You can use any yarn that you have. You can make several to match your outfit in different colors, in different kind of color combinations, however you want to make it. So if this is your first time here, hello, I'm Sandra, the designer behind SandraStitches, and this is our annual 8-day Hanukkah crochet long. So for this glasses case, we have to start by chaining 30. All right. Again, you can decide on your size. It doesn't really matter. But this is the 30, and it really holds my glasses. And we need a little bit of seam here to join. So I think also it depends what kind of yarn you're using. If it's very stretchy, you'll do the math. So we start with chaining 30, which I've already done here. And we are going to be placing a single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So the loop on the hook does not count, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. You have your first single crochet. Now we're going to chain 1, skip the next chain, and single crochet in the next chain. Again, chain 1, skip 1, and single crochet in the next chain. And you are going to work this sequence until the end. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. And this is the foundation of our moss stitch. This is the moss stitch, but the next row will be our repeat row, because this is just the beginning of the stitch. So chain 1, skip 1, single crochet next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet next. This stitch is amazing for blankets, for scarves, anything that you want to make, that you want to work, you need a kind of a, more dense fabric, and you want it to be, you can use different colors, you can change colors in the, after a few rows. It's so versatile. You can do anything you want with this stitch. All right, so I have my last 2 chains, I will chain one, skip one, and always finish my row with a single crochet. All right, so I have my first row done. Second round, which is going to be our repeat row, we chain one, turn our work, and now we are going to work on the only on the chain one spaces. So now I think it's going to be the only time that the chain one, only time in history that this chain one is going to be like a single crochet. So we skip the single crochet, the first one, and we go straight to the chain one space and work one single crochet. Chain one. You know what? No, we are going to chain two at the beginning, not chain one, chain two. So what we'll do, the first chain is our single crochet, and the second chain is going to be our chain space. So we chain two, turn our work, skip our first single crochet, the very first single crochet, and put one single crochet in the chain one space. Chain one, and again we skip the single crochet. The next stitch is going to be a single crochet. We skip it and work one single crochet in the chain one space. Chain one, skip single crochet in the chain one space, and go on and on until the end of your row. So skip one, chain one, skip the single crochet, and insert your hook and make one single crochet in the chain one space. And as we get to the end of it, we always finish with a single crochet. So let's see how we do that. Chain one, skip one, single crochet in the chain one space. This stitch also works really fast, like you don't have to think about it. Okay, so I have my last two stitches, because if you remember, when we started, we put our first single crochet in the fourth chain. So we have a single crochet here, and we have a chain space here for the three chains at the beginning. So we chain one and we single crochet in the space here that we have from the beginning. So we finish with a single crochet, and again we chain two, turn our work, and start all over again. The chain two will be single crochet plus chain one, so we skip our first stitch and go straight into the chain one space and put a single crochet. Chain one, skip one, single crochet in chain one space, and so on and on and on until you reach the height that you want. For this sample, let me see how many rows I repeat. I did 20 times, 20 rows. So after 20 rows, I stopped, and then I made a loop here in the middle if you want to close it with a button. So I just insert my hook and made a loop with 6 chains, slip stitch, and I slip stitch. I fold my work, fold it, my rectangle. I will have a rectangle. I will fold it in such a way that I will have, not until the end, I will have like less than an inch, half inch or something, and slip stitch the sides to join the sides here and here, and so I have this 1/2 inch to fold, right? This is it. You can work only on the upper part, the part that you are going to be folding, so you can work more rows of single crochet or more stitch, the same, but just on here, and make the loop. And this is it. So if I would continue, I will chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, and so on and on and on. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a super simple, super cute glasses case crochet. You can make for gifting, for donating, for yourself, as I said, in several colors to match your outfit, whatever you want. Just remember that you have the chain 2 at the beginning. It will be your last single crochet. Look at the stitch. It's very dense, so you can be sure your glasses are not going to fall. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The free pattern is on the blog. You will have in the description a link, and that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.